So this is stuff that I literally took from various boxes and from mantelpiece and every location in my house you can imagine that had all this sort of stuff. I brought a lot of it to markets and so on. It was packed away in boxes. I've just had to take it out because I might as well have it out as have it packed away in boxes where I can't find anything. So this is just an idea of the sort of things that I've been making. Probably you've seen it all already. These are all the little imps, various gargoyles. Gargoyles actually what started me on this, believe it or not. That's the one that I bought Carcassonne from the souvenir shop. Carcassonne. I made my first mold from this. And it was difficult because of the horns, you see. And when you're peeling latex up over, and the chin and the horns and the ears, when you're peeling latex in or up over that, there's always a danger it can snap off. Lots of little imps, little frog. More green men. Skulls. I made so many skulls. Lots and lots of skulls. Two big green men. It's an old mahogany mirror that came from my grandmother's house. And the two spindles from the side are gone. So I'm going to get rid of it. I'm going to sell it, and somebody's going to make a restoration project for somebody. It's a Queen Victoria Memorial Goblet Cup. Let me see. Victoria is a young lady, and this was, I'm not exactly sure which celebration. I think it's from 1899. I have a match of it anyway, but it's just there out of the way. So these are my little Buddhas. My little painted rocks there. Chinese warlord. Cool. Actually, I haven't sold any of these, but I like them. Full-size warlord there. He's carrying a big sword, big old sword. Ideal for decapitating foes and enemies. Put them back. Skull. Originally marketed these as ashtrays, but a couple of people suggested they could be used as inkwells. And a guy at the market actually said, "Oh, can we drink out of those?" So he wanted to use them as shot glasses. Oh, our warlord has fallen over. Okay, so I managed to get a picture up on the wall. I don't know why I did that. Maybe I suppose it just makes the place look a little bit more homely. I still have stuff. Look at the ceiling. It's so high. I'd love to put another floor in there, but this isn't my building. It's not beyond my capabilities anyway. All the green men there. These are all concrete green men. Some are painted, some aren't. So I have most of that stuff out of the box, and I've made a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff are out of the molds. So the next couple of weeks, I guess, I'm going to be painting this stuff. I want to have everything painted. And this is where I keep my molds right now. See, I really I'm not going any further with the tidying away today. I've been here since probably 1 o'clock. It's about 5 o'clock now, 6 o'clock. So the molds, I'm going to put them all away somewhere. Probably pack them into boxes here underneath. I've got new line molds. Let's have a look at these line molds. You see, these are 3 parts anti-break plastic. That's where you put the stuff. So these are essentially shell molds. They don't have an interior of latex, which most of my molds would. Most people's molds would. But these, very basic. This is what they look like. 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. You fit them together, and you bolt them together. There's little plastic bolts. Little plastic bolts that come with it. And the detail is okay in them. I mean, they're not absolutely great. So there they are there. The thing about those shell molds is you'll get a seam. I'm just going to go outside. We'll have a look. You see, you get a seam from the pieces. From the section. Okay, so we have a seam from here all the way up. Now I'm just going to file that off. it's as this seam doesn't actually affect the aesthetics of it in any way. So I'm just going to file that off. It's fine. It's no problem. They've been sitting out here for a long time now, but I haven't really sold too many of these, so I bought another set of them. I've already got several of them made up. I have all this stuff here. I'm going to paint that for the next couple of weeks anyway. So it's another nice day. Spring is definitely here. This is all ivy here. It's generally not good for buildings. It pulls the mortar away and it pulls the building down. But I think there was a good job clearing it off. I just put a few nails into the door here, so I'm going to hang some of my hangable objects from there. So that's pretty much all I've got time for today. Hope you all have a good weekend, and we'll talk later. Bye bye.